The 4 levels of influence on social media.
I'm going to tell you something that will change how you see your business. People do not join the best product. They join the person who influences them the most. That is why someone with an ordinary product and a lot of influence beats someone with an excellent product and zero influence. The good news is that influence is not something you are born with, and it is not something you buy. It is built, step by step. Today you are going to see the 4 levels of that ladder, and above all, which level you are on right now.
The ladder of influence.
Imagine a ladder with 4 steps. At the very bottom, you are invisible. At the very top, you are a leader people want to follow. Nobody starts at the top, and nobody jumps there all at once. You climb 1 step at a time, with consistency. This is the complete ladder.
Level 1. The unknown.
What it is, this is where everybody starts. You are invisible. You post and nothing happens. Not because you are bad, but because nobody knows you yet, and your content still does not resonate. How to climb. Show up and be consistent. The first jump comes through presence. Posting regularly and starting to speak about your prospect's problem, so you stop being just another person. The goal of level 1 is simple, to get people to start recognizing you.
Level 2. The known.
What it is, now you sound familiar to them. They recognize your face, your name, your topic. There is familiarity, and familiarity creates liking. But pay attention. Being known does not yet mean they trust you or see you as an authority. How to climb? Start providing real value and showing who you are. This is where your story, your results, and your usefulness slowly turn you into someone worth listening to. The goal of level 2 is to earn respect, not just recognition.
Level 3. The reference.
What it is, this is the level that truly changes your business. People see you as someone who knows their topic and can be trusted. This is where the messages start coming in, saying,
"Hey, can you tell me more?"
and where people recommend you to others without you even asking. How to climb. Go deeper into authority and trust. We will look at this in detail in the next 2 lessons, but the foundation is being consistent, proving what you say, and genuinely helping, again and again. The goal of level 3 is to become the obvious choice in your niche.
Level 4. The leader.
What it is, the top. Here people do not just trust you, they want to be like you, or do what you do. Your community acts because of what you say, defends you, and brings prospects to you on its own. And, the most powerful part for network marketing, your leadership duplicates. Your team learns to do the same. How to climb, and stay there, inspire and guide. At this level, it is no longer only about providing information, but about showing a path. Share your vision, celebrate your community, and become an example. The goal of level 4 is to lead, not just influence.
People do not join the best product. They join the person who influences them the most. Real example.
Pablo had spent a year at level 1. He posted offers about his product, and nobody responded. He changed the strategy. He began posting useful daily tips about healthy habits. He moved up to level 2. People recognized him. A few months later, people were writing to him, asking for advice, without him selling anything. Level 3, reference. Today, his community shares his videos, and several of his clients have joined his team by imitating his way of communicating. Level 4, leader. Same product as always. What changed was his level of influence.
Common mistakes.
Wanting to sell from level 1. If nobody knows you, your offer falls into the void. First presence, then proposal. Confusing known with reference. Being recognized is not the same as being trusted. They are different steps. Skipping steps. You do not go from invisible to leader in 1 week. Each level is earned with time and consistency. Believing you need to be famous to reach level 4. You do not need millions of followers. You need a community that trusts you. We will see this in the next lesson.
Practical advice.
Be honest with yourself and place yourself on one specific step today. Do not punish yourself if you are on level 1 or 2. Everybody starts there. The only thing that matters is your next move. Define one single action that brings you closer to the step above, and repeat it this week. You now know your goal is to climb until you become a reference, and, after that, a leader. But maybe you are thinking, I'm not famous. How am I going to be an authority? That is exactly the question we answer in the next lesson, where you will see how to build authority without being famous, step by step.